Hi, I'm Surbi Pillai, and today I bring to you gossip in communication. So, I have always felt that gossiping is good fun, it really gives you a good time pass. And, every time I feel like gossiping, I call up my best friends and we have a good gossip session, and it's really invigorating and it's really fun. But when it comes to gossiping in professional life, then it can be really bad. Why? Because too much of gossiping can give you a name of a person who loves gossiping. So there are three kinds of people. One who loves to gossip and will always keep gossiping, like somebody gets a promotion, some girl gets a promotion, and oh, she's having an affair with the boss, or the boss has an eye for her. So that kind of a person. Two is a person who will listen to your gossip but will laugh with you also, but will never ever participate in the gossip, will have nothing to say. And third person is who will start advocating morality to you. No, you should not gossip and it's not right. I always prefer the mid path where let people do what they want to do. They let them gossip. You just listen to them, maybe smile a bit or something, but don't participate. The first one where you gossip yourself, that's really bad because it can give you a bad name, one, and two, it could be like you say something and people will go and report as if you had said something else. So it that could be used against you. Second one is pretty good where nobody thinks that you are going to sneak behind their back and say something that will put them in a bad light. And third one, moralistic one, is will make you a social pariah, where people will start calling you, oh, he is the sadhu types and all. So instead of getting such adjectives, you can just do away with all this and not participate openly. So gossiping in your personal life where you're sitting with friends and all maybe is good fun, though that has changed quite a lot now. With COVID coming, we've all become reformed people. We listen to a lot of spiritual talks where people say that if you gossip, it brings negative vibes to you. So now suddenly all of us have become reformed communicators where we don't gossip. We really have this urge of gossiping, of complaining, but we don't, because we don't want negative vibes around us and have holes in our aura, so that we want to be safe, we want to keep our immune system good, which is all very well. So but I personally have these gossip sessions with my best friends once in a while, or with my sister. So but in professional life, no, gossiping is completely out. Who is having an affair with whom and who is doing what is none of my business. So I would suggest that take the mid path. Just listen to gossip, whatever is going on, so that you know what is happening around you and you can go home and have a good laugh at it, but never ever participate in it openly, which means don't say anything, don't apni tippani nahi deni hai, or don't be moralistic about it. Don't go and say no, you should not gossip and it's a bad thing and all. So that the mid path is the best path. Now, as far as talking about real things which are happening in your office, like what if you're talking about something which sounds like gossip but is really happening. So if it is really happening, is it affecting your job? Is it affecting your salary? Is it affecting your own position? If yes, go and talk to the person concerned who can help you. If it does not affect you, it is affecting your friend, you can advise her or him, but do not make it into a gossip. Stay away from it and you will be cool. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye for now.